Hi, everyone. I'm Tahia. Welcome to the light where software meets the stars. I've created a new site, teachingswithtahia.com, as a resource for you to continue learning and using Parashara's light, one of the most powerful tools in Vedic astrology. Here you will find links to step by step tutorials on my YouTube channel, shortcuts, and just cool tips that make working with Parashara's light easier and more fun. Whether you're setting up charts, customizing your workspace, or just getting started, consider this your one stop shopping for all things Parashara's Light. And here's my favorite part about the site. Click on Ask Parashara, and you'll see a chat window pops up where you can ask questions about Parashara's Light or Vedic astrology. It's an interactive guide that'll answer your questions in real time. It's still in development, so if you ask a question and you don't get quite what you were looking for, just let me know so I can continue to improve your experience. If you're ready to connect the software with the stars, learn and explore, check out teachingswithtahia.com. Let me know how Ask Parashara works for you, and we'll continue to see you in the light. Bye for now.